Good evening, guys. Dubs here, and this is box break number 119. It is 12/13 limited from yesterday, Thursday, October 10th. And here's your list of winning bidders. We got a nice lineup for you tonight. We got this box here. But before we get to that, here are our short straw cards for the day. We got a Shea Weber Game Worn Gear. We've also got a Brett Ballmer Freshman Signatures from Certified and a Fabrics of the Game of Duncan Keith. So those cards will head to 3 different teams who failed to get hits during the regular portion of the break. Our roulette board kind of looks like this. We've got green on 30, orange on 28, orange on 24, green on 22, greens on 18 and 16, orange on 12, green on 10, green on 6, 4, 0, and 00. So that anytime during the break we spin one of those numbers on our roulette wheel, we will give away one of the associated cards. Our green chip card for today is a Tim Erickson Mammoth card from Dominion. And our orange chip is a prime namesakes of Nikolai Habibulin from Panini Prime. So if we spin a green chip, we'll give away the green chip card. If we spin an orange chip, we'll give away the orange chip card. And if we spin both, we'll give away the orange chip card. Before we get to this, we will spin the wheel just to get it started. And that will be for a Team Refund. So here's our first spin just to start things off. And we're going to start off with a number 4. So team number 4 is going to be getting their team for free, and that is going to be the, right here, team number 4, the Ottawa Senators. So congratulations to the Senators, of which M6 International is the owner of. So congratulations, M6. I will refund the Senators to you a little bit later on. All right. So now we're getting to that box here. Here's our serial number. NE191024926. So there's our pack. Empty box. And good luck. Let's see what we can pull out of here. Oh, it's being difficult. We are going to start things off with a base card of Tim Gleason for the Carolina Hurricanes. That one is numbered 93 out of 299. Try to keep my hand as straight as possible here. Our next card going to the Buffalo Sabres. It is another base card of Tyler Myers. And that one is numbered 48 out of 299, so that'll qualify as for our Crazy 8s bonus. So I'll get a pack of cards out in now. So we will open this one up later just because we hit an 8. Our next card here going to the Dallas Stars, it is a Brendan Dillon Phenoms rookie card. That one is numbered 450 out of 499. So that'll be our first strike going to RNO M2. And for him, I will be opening up a pack of cards. I've got one pack of Elite left here, and then I'm going to have to open up a different box. So this pack here is for RNO M2 for the first strike. RNO M2. So that is for our first strike. So that'll be heading your way. Then next we've got a second Phenoms rookie card. Going to the Dallas, oh sorry, that is not a Phenoms, that is a Monikers. Fooled me there. That one is heading to Sean, 1989-77. That is a Monikers of Corey Perry for the Anaheim Ducks. And that one, whoops, that one is numbered 7 out of 49. So that's heading your way, Sean. And our next card here is going to the Dallas Stars. It is a Kari Lehtinen jersey card, numbered 29 out of 99, with a white jersey swatch. So that'll be heading to RNO M2. Then for the Colorado Avalanche, we've got a Joe Sakic Trophy winners. That'll be heading to Sean, 1989-77, and is numbered 45 out of 199. And our last card for the Edmonton Oilers, it is a Taylor Hall silver base card, numbered 8 out of 49. So we'll be opening up another pack of something, and I have to dig a box out of somewhere. So I'll get that in just a second. So that'll be heading to the Edmonton Oilers. So one pack. I just need to check my my bingo board just to make sure I'm not going to be taking a box of something that I need to open up later. Let's do this. Let's grab a pack from this box of Zenith. Open this thing. So we'll just get underneath the Dare to Tear. So we'll just take this pack here, and that'll be our extra pack. I don't know what I'll do that with that Dare to Tear. Maybe I'll do it, open it at some point in the future. So these are for our Crazy 8s bonuses. So we'll open up the pack of Elite first. So we got Ribeiro for the Stars, Pavelski for the Sharks, Neal for the Senators, Spacer, Jokinen for the Hurricanes, and Schneider for the Canucks. And from our Zenith pack, Ovechkin, Varlamov, Waugh, Spacer, Lucic, and Koivu. Not much there for us either. Alright, moving on to our prize board. So we'll spin the wheel again, and we will see what kind of a prize we'll be giving away tonight. So here's our spin. And that'll be prize number 29. So we'll take a look at our prize board. Spot number 29 is right here. We will zoom in. And that is an 11-12 Rookie Treasures of Robert Bortuzzo. So that will be this card right here. Rookie Treasures, Robert Bortuzzo, number 221 out of 499, featuring 2 black swatches. So we will spin our wheel again, and we'll take a look at our team board and see which team is going to be getting that one. And that'll be heading to team number 25. And team number 25 here is going to be the Phoenix Coyotes. The Phoenix Coyotes owned by DJ and Ella's mom. So congratulations, Aaron. To Phoenix. And next we'll take a look at our short straw. So here's our cards. From the beginning, we got the Balmer freshman signatures, the Weber Game 1 gear, and the Duncan Keith fabrics of the game. So the teams down here are teams that got some hits. So we will shove them off to the side since they're not important for this segment. The remainder of the teams will get put together in there. We will shuffle them around and pick one for each. So the fabrics of the game, Duncan Keith is going to be going to the Buffalo Sabres. The Shea Weber Game 1 gear is going to the Carolina Hurricanes. And the Balmer freshman signatures is going to go to the Montreal Canadiens. So those are your short straw winners. And now we'll take a look at our roulette board. So these are the numbers that we've spun so far. We've spun the numbers 4, 29, and 25. So 29 is blank, 25 is blank, and 4 is green. So that means that we will be giving away the Tim Erickson Mammoth card. And we will spin our wheel one more time just to see who's going to be getting that one. And that is going to be number 23. So team number 23. Jump over to our team board again. Team number 23, who's going to be taking home the Tim Erickson Mammoth card, is going to be the Calgary Flames and Arno M2. So that one will be heading your way. Calgary. And lastly, we'll take a look at our bingo board, which looks like this. So we got the middle board, 11-12 contenders. They bingoed out a little while ago, so they're out of contention. And now we are racing for a blackout on either the 11-12 Anthology box on board 1 or the 12-13 OPG on board 2. So we'll draw 6 more marbles and see where we can get these boards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So marble number 1 here is B1. And B1 is nothing. Oh, we're cut off a little bit. We have a little bit of the board cut off. That's too much. There we go. So B1 is nowhere on either boards. Then we've got 075 and 075 will give us a spot on neither, followed by G49. G49 will give us a spot on 1. Followed by N36. Close. N36, which will give us nothing. O72, which will give us another 1 on 1 and a bottom corner on 3. And our last marble is I-28. And I-28 will put us nowhere. So that's where we're going to carry over to. We put a couple of chips on the board, but still got a little ways to go, so we'll see what happens next break. Regardless, that is our 12-13 limited break, and congratulations to everybody who got a hit, and I hope to see you again next time.